Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video. Another beautiful day in front of us, a present from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are going to see what are we going to get in today's day, in the present which we have given from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what we are going to get today. Okay, beautiful day, amazing weather. It's so good to enjoy. We don't have to wear like coats and scarves. We are now a little free. We can enjoy different type of clothing. Sometimes we feel a little cold, sometimes we feel hot. So it's a good weather. So there are a lot of flowers, there are butterflies, the bees, and yes, there are flies as well. Oh my God. So you have to be safe because the flies carries the germs. And you have to keep yourself safe, clean, healthy, happy, right? By doing what? Yay! By cleaning everything, washing your hands properly and frequently, right? And yes, now it's the time you have to close the door. You have to take care that you should close the doors because like these days we have mosquitoes outside and we have flies outside, so they can get in. So remember to even take care of that, because if your mommy is busy somewhere, your daddy is busy, then you should be a responsible child. Okay, so we are going to start our lecture, and this time we are in our literacy class. Yay! So in our literacy class, we are learning about letters and we are tracing letters and we are learning vocabulary. So, and we are making even friends. Remember, we made so many friends with the alphabets to make different sounds. And today, I am going to talk with you. There is a group of friends. Yes, from our alphabets, there is a group of friends, and I am going to tell you how many friends are these and what is the group's name, right? So there was a village, there was a town in which there were 27 friends, 26 friends, right? So there was a town in which they live. So these all 26 friends live together, right? And there were 5 friends which were very, very close. Yes, there were 5 friends which were very, very close. And I am going to introduce you one by one with the friends, these 5 friends, okay? And you will be very happy to meet them because they're very, very fast friends. They're very good friends. So and then I will tell you the name of the friends. Okay. The first friend is A, right? A. Then the second is E. And there is another friend. The third friend is I. Then another one, O. And the last of them is you. That's great. See, so there are 5 friends: A, E, I, O, U. So out of those 26 friends, these 5 are very, very fast friends. And they're going out, they're having party, and they are called vowels. Yeah, what are they called? They are called vowels. So there are 5 friends which we call them vowels. Yes. So what are these? Now, A, E, I, then hold on. O and U. Hello. Now they're saying hello, and you're also going to say hello, vowels, right? So these are 5 friends which make many, many different words with the different sounds. And that is amazing. So you're going to remember A, E, I, okay, I, O, and you. See, they're all very happy friends because they live together and they take care of each other, right? So A, E, I, O, U, right? Okay, that's it. So these are called vowels, and rest of the friends, they are called consonants, right? These 5 are called vowels, and the rest of them are called consonants. So what we are going to do now is we are going to put our vowels over here for you to just have a look. Now, what do we have first? A, right? A. Okay, that's great. So we have A. Then what comes after A? Then we have, remember, which is the second friend? Yes, A, then E. Okay, E, A, E. Then we have, what do we have? Yes. Then we have I. We call this even I, right? So we have A, E, I, okay. Then we have the next friend. What is the name of the next friend? What do we call him? A, E, I, O. Yes, the next one is O. A, E, I, O. And then the last one, I and you. Yes. A, E, I, O, and you. Hold on, let me cut it so I can fix it properly, right? Okay. Yes. Now we have A, E, I, O, and where should we put you? I think we should put I over here. Okay, can you see this? Can you see I? Yes, you can see I, O, and then you. Yay. See? A, E, I, O, and you. So these are the 5 friends. So how are you going to remember them? You can remember A like A, right? Because the uppercase A is like this. Okay, so this is A, then E. This is E, O, yes, I, and U. Okay, I, and you can just curve it like this. So this is U. So you can remember them by making shapes so you don't forget about the vowels. So the vowels are, there are 5 friends, and now they, you know what happened, that there are 5 friends I am going to tell you about, and one of it is A for, that's a small friend, and that is an ant. And is a friend, the vowels friend, then they have an elephant. E, elephant. See, there are 5 friends. A, E, I, O, U. Then the third friend is, that is an octopus. Yes, that's an octopus. Yay. And there was an iguana. Yay, see? They're all the vowel friends. The a ant, a elephant, or octopus, a iguana, right? But then what happens? They went for a walk outside. Oh my God. And then what happened? The rain comes. And they did not bring you with them. The ant, elephant, octopus, and iguana went out. And what happened? It comes the rain. And they were all very upset. So their last friend, uh, what happened? Yeah, the last friend, umbrella, come to rescue them. Okay, we can just put it over here. Yeah, the umbrella come to rescue them. So umbrella is also a very good friend, and it has taken them back by putting them all under him, under the umbrella. So the ant, the elephant, the iguana, and the octopus, they went back home dry. They did not get wet. Okay. So this is about vowels. And now we are going to just revise once again the friends. A, right? E, I, O, and U, right? These are the 5 friends, which we call them vowels, and rest of the alphabets are called consonants. So they even have different sounds of vowels. There are 5 vowels, they have short sounds and they have long sounds as well. So I'm just going to share you a little about the sounds of the vowels. Okay. Okay. Now I have to show you another picture. Yeah. Okay, now just have a look at this. Right? This says the long vowels and the short vowels. Right? I'm just showing you this. I'm going to explain that to you. Right? You see, the long vowels have a long line, right? When the vowel is long, its sound is long, it has a long line on it, right? Like this. And if it's a short vowel, it is not a line, it's a curve. It is curved like this, if you can see, right? Now let's say A, if we say A in grapes, right? This is grapes, grapes. And for apple, this is apple. This is not apple. This is apple. Grapes, apple, right? So this is the long sound and the short sound. Now look at this E, right? Just look at this E only. I want you to look at this E. Now it has got 2 pictures, elephant and feet. Now, feet, feet, and elephant. Okay? Feet, elephant. So the long word is a straight line, a horizontal line. Feet, elephant. So there are long sounds and short sounds. long vowels and short vowels. Like if you talk about I, kite, kite, right? Kite. Okay. And then the next picture is igloo, 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 right? Kite, feet, grapes, apple, elephant, igloo. Oh, that's great. See, now the second, the last two are now. Oh, now there are two pictures. Now the first one, what do we say? Boat, boat. And the second is octopus, octopus, octopus. Now the last picture, you, the long vowel is glue, glue, glue. And the short is umbrella, 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 right? So the long goes like this, glue, boat, kite, feet, grapes. And the short one goes umbrella, octopus, igloo, right? And okay, yes, elephant and apple. Yeah, see, this is the difference which we are going to learn, the short vowel sounds and the long vowel sound, right? So once again, we're going to repeat. The long sound is that goes like this, and the short sound go eh, eh, okay. Now the long is grapes, right? Feet. What was that? Boat, glue, right? So these are the long sounds. And kite. And then the short are apple. Remember? Yes. So the short sound is apple, elephant, igloo. Remember? Yes. Then excuse me, igloo, octopus, right? And umbrella, umbrella. Glue, U is long, glue, umbrella. Okay, so this was it. This was about vowels, and you know now there are 5 vowels which you already know about. There are 5 friends which are called vowels, and they are living very happily, and they are waving, and they are A, E, I, O, U, right? So these are called vowels, and the rest are called consonants. Yes, rest are called consonants. So we have learned about the vowels and the long sound and the short sound of the vowels. So we will be learning a lot more in the next class. Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye to you from this class, and I'm going to see you in the next class very soon. Till then, please, please, please stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for your health, for your family, for everything, and take very, very good care of yourself. And yes, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Put the button, the red button, and give it the thumbs up. You know how important is our thumb? We cannot do many tasks without a thumb. So this is important. You have to give us thumbs up, and you you share our videos with your friend. Okay, so I'm going to see you soon. Till then, stay safe and bye bye.